Hey there! Welcome to How to Install Zone. Today I'm bringing you an easy step-by-step guide to install Cinema HD APK on your FireStick, FireStick 4K, FireStick Lite, and even your Fire TV Cube. Plus, I'll cover how you can set it up on Android TVs, smartphones, and even PCs. If you're ready to unlock a world of movies, TV shows, and more, stay tuned. Let's dive in. So, what's Cinema HD APK? It's a fantastic third-party app for streaming on-demand content, everything from movies and TV shows to documentaries and family-friendly content. It's lightweight, has a sleek interface, and comes packed with features like built-in filters, external player support, Real Debrid integration, and more. Now, before we proceed, let's talk safety. Cinema HD is a third-party app that isn't verified, which can sometimes pose risks. But don't worry, I've got your back. Protect your privacy and ensure safe streaming by using a secure VPN. It's the easiest way to keep your online activities private and safe. To sideload Cinema HD APK, we'll need the Downloader app and a quick tweak to the settings on your FireStick. Here's how. Search for Downloader in your FireStick search bar and install it. Head over to Settings. My Fire TV, Developer Options. Enable Install Unknown Apps or apps from unknown sources, depending on your device version. And that's it. Your FireStick is ready to go. Here's the simple step-by-step to install Cinema HD APK. Open Downloader. Enter this URL, firesticktricks.com/cinema, and hit go. Wait for the APK file to download. Once downloaded, click Install to complete the process. After installation, delete the APK file to free up space. And just like that, Cinema HD APK is installed on your FireStick. Before you start streaming, remember, your ISP and even your government can monitor your streaming activities. To stay on the safe side, always stream securely with a VPN. It encrypts your connection and keeps your activities private. Cinema HD is incredibly user-friendly. From built-in content filters to support for premium link providers like Real Debrid and Trakt, it's got everything you need for a smooth streaming experience. Plus, you can even integrate an external player like MX Player for enhanced functionality. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to protect your privacy while streaming. Check out the link in the description for my recommended VPN with an exclusive discount. Until next time, happy streaming.